Hi guys, I just got back from the hospital not too long ago, and I just wanted to tell you my results, and I'm just going to read it straight off of Facebook. Updates. My iron was My iron was 9.2, but now it's 9.6. I will be going back to in 2 weeks, but this Thursday coming up, I will get my iron checked at the health department because when they wait 2 weeks, it seems like my iron drops badly. The test results on DBA or diamond black band anemia came back positive, so I do have that. It's very rare. I'm the only and first patient that they have ever had with this type of anemia. Like they said, very rare. A quick fix is blood transfusion, and to cure me all the way is a bone marrow transplant, which means all my bone marrow would come out and they would put new in. It's very dangerous because if one Mama said I could have our drinks. Go get them. Oh, they're in the car. Get them. You cannot have nothing else. Because if one germ gets to me while the bone marrow is out, then it could kill me in a matter of seconds. Right now, they are going to keep checking on my iron, and if it gets too bad, then they will do a bone marrow transplant. They said could, I could outgrow this DBA, but then I might not. And if I ever have kids then I will pass it on to them. And plus, I can't get sick. And if I do, then that could be a very, very bad problem. Just keep praying. So that's basically all I know. I will update y'all soon. And I'm gonna fight this off. I'm a fighter, not a quitter.